Hey, punk! What do you want, punker? Let's see who can get down there. The farthest man. Whoever wins gets $1,000. Got it? Got it. Oh, and boats are not allowed. I have to at least have some challenge. Well, I like boats, and besides, I could beat you. This thing may not have a motor, but it can go fast. Yep. What the heck are you doing? Getting ready to be the engine. How the heck do you be the engine? Gas. I be the engine by gas. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Beat that, punk. Okay. I can't believe I lost to a guy in a boat. Ugh, can't believe I just lost $1,000. I have won. I'm gonna use my $1,000 to buy more Lego so I can build a bigger boat. Woohoo! Hey man, I wanna know your secret. What is it? I told you. Gas. Man, I gotta get me some beans.